In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Wix and connect a domain. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or an online store, getting your domain connected is a crucial step in bringing your website to life. We'll walk you through this process in a clear, easy to follow manner. First, let's head over to Wix.com. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. However, for those of you who have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created or are managing. Select the specific website to which you want to connect a domain. Now let's adjust some settings. In your Wix dashboard, look towards the left side of the page where you'll find a menu. Click on the tab labeled Settings. Once you've clicked, a new page will open up that shows several options under Website Settings. Here, click on Domains. At this point, you'll see an option to connect a domain you already own. If you haven't purchased a domain yet and would prefer to do so directly through Wix, you can also choose Get a New Domain to explore domain purchasing options within Wix. Next, it's time to decide on your connection method. Wix offers two primary options, connecting automatically or manually. If your domain is hosted with a popular provider like GoDaddy or Google Domains, the automatic connection is your best bet. This method streamlines everything, letting Wix handle the technicalities for you. To use this option, simply click Connect Automatically. You'll be prompted to log into your domain provider account. Once logged in, keep an eye out for a connection request from Wix. Approving this request allows Wix to automatically update your DNS settings, efficiently connecting your domain without any manual input from you. The entire connection process is usually quick, but be aware that it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours to complete. This is typical as your domain settings propagate across the web, so a bit of patience may be required. By the end of these steps, your website will be live with its newly connected domain, ready to be shared with the world. Following these instructions carefully will ensure a seamless and successful connection, leaving you more time to focus on what really matters, creating great content for your site. Thank you for following along and happy website building!